Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. As you know, I am on a no spending month, but I wanted to take a little time and upgrade one of my Naturalista dolls. This is my Penny doll. I got her a few years ago in honor of my mom and my dollhouse, and I wanted to give her a whole new look, and I think she turned out fabulous. To start this makeover, we started with adding more articulation to this doll by using a Wicked Metamorable body. And next up, I wanted to try out some customizing on the makeup. So I used a basic eyeliner that I would use on myself to change the eye shape. And after the eyes turned out so well, I realized that we had to change the lipstick as well. So we tried a few different options on Miss Penny. We tried turquoise to start. It was okay. Next, I did a rough iron. I really did like this one with the gleam. It just looks really good, but it wasn't what I was wanting. So next, we tried a muted brown with a mixture of rough iron and some Mod Podge, and that was perfect. After that, I added back the reflection to her eyes because adding the eyeliner took that out. And then we got dressed. I absolutely love how this cute, simple little makeover turned out. I love the outfit with the cute little rainbow high shoes, but we needed a little Christmas spirit in this, so we decided to change it up just a little bit and add a little extra flair and Christmas spirit to this makeover. I absolutely love how she turned out. I'm also using the Elphaba Wicked boots that I redid last year. I have two of those Elphaba dolls, so keeping one pair of her boots black and changing the other pair to brown was a great idea and a great way to use some duplicates from my collection. I absolutely adore how beautiful my Penny doll is in her original form. However, after this custom makeover, I think she looks so much better. The new body is wonderful. The skin tone is not a perfect match, but it is close enough, and I love her hands. I love the fact that I did some actual customizing, or at least a limited amount of customizing, to try to give my doll a custom face up. And instead of just going with one lipstick option, I tried a couple just to see what would work best for the makeover that I was attempting to do. This turned out absolutely fabulous, and I'm so glad that not only was I able to do a doll restyle today, but I also feel like 23 days into my No by November challenge, this was a great way to quench my new doll thirst without having to spend any money. The only thing this cost me was some time and a little bit of ingenuity. Penny looks absolutely adorable, and I love that I was able to not only give her an articulated body, but in using the Wicked dolls, I was also able to keep her in a bigger size foot, so we can use Wicked doll shoes, Illy doll shoes, Rainbow High doll shoes, and the original Naturalista shoes from my collection for this doll. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and please make sure to leave me comments and let me know what you think about our Naturalista Penny doll makeover that we decided to do on day 23 of our No by November challenge. Bye, y'all.